Top-down analysis is paramount in forex trading. Before you make a trade, make sure you have a higher time frame view of whatever you are trading. If you are trading on 5 minutes time frame, make sure you have a higher time frame view to understand the overall trend of the market. Now, when you have the overall trend of the market, you come to the lower time frame to execute in the same direction. For instance, this is a volatility 50 index, time frame is 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? Now I am using MACD indicator to determine the direction of the market. Now I analyze the direction of the market on 4-hour time frame, but my trade execution will be on 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So this is a top-down analysis. You understand what is happening in higher time frame, then come to lower time frame to do what? To trade that particular direction. All right. Now, before I proceed, this is the settings for MACD indicator. Fast EMA is 17, slow EMA 26, MACD XMA 2, apply to close. Do you understand? So that is all about the settings for MACD. Do you understand? So copy it down or you screenshot it. Now back to our charts. Now let me demarcate this to show you what I mean. Now this is the point where the market started trending upward. Do you understand? This is where the market started trending upward. Now once I notice this trending in 4-hour time frame, I quickly switch to 15 minutes time frame to do what? To execute my trade. Now let's look at, mind you, the trend here, this is 4-hour time frame. The trend here is uptrend. Do you understand? This is what a bullish trend. Now let me go back to 15 minutes where I will be executing my trade. Now all the trade I will be executing in 15 minutes will be uptrend. That, do you understand? So I will only be buying on 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? Even when the market is moving down, I will not get disturbed. I will focus on one direction. Do you understand? Focus on one direction. Do you understand? All right. Now let's look at the point where the market started moving up. Now this is the point. Let me correct this. This is the point where the market started moving up. Yes, all right, this is it. All right. So this is the point where the market started moving upward direction. Now here is the point. So once I switch to 15 minutes time frame, I will be trading uptrend only uptrend. So here is my first entry on 15 minutes time frame. Here should be my first entry on 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? This point here will be my first entry on 15 minutes 15 minutes time frame. Look at it. So my entry should be somewhere here, and this is what a lot of profit. Do you understand? This is what a lot of profit. Now I exit the market, I continue moving. Now when you see the market, look at this, when you see the market trending downward, no matter how downward it trends, you don't have any business with that. Don't get your emotions involved. Don't say, I'm missing a lot, let me trade in opposite to what is happening in higher time frame. This is where most traders make the mistake of blowing their accounts in the name of trying to capture every move of the market. No, you need to focus on one direction, what is happening in higher time frame. Do you understand? Right. Now let's proceed. Now here is my second entry. Here is what my second entry. I am only trading what is happening on higher time frame. Do you understand? So I make my second entry here. My second entry here, and this is what massive profit. Do you understand? So I continue moving in the same direction. Do you understand? Now here is another entry. Do you understand? Here is another entry. Here is another entry. Do you understand? So this is how we keep on trading in the direction. Here is another entry. Do you understand? So this is how we keep on trading in the direction of what is happening in higher time frame, and you will be recording massive profit. Now in this point here, when you see the market trending downwards, don't get disturbed. Do you understand? Don't be tricked into making trade that is contrary to what is happening in higher time frame. Always stick to that particular direction. Do you understand? No matter how profitable it might seem, don't go against the trend. Do you understand? So that is it. Always do your analysis on higher time frame and execute your trade on lower time frame. So this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.